Poet has had a busy few months with growing interest from customers and more technological achievements. Here to discuss some of the happenings is Raju Kankipati, the company's Senior VP of Product Management and North America General Manager. Raju, you've had a very busy summer.
Thanks, Adrian. Yes, things have been quite busy, both on the product and customer front. 2024 for us has been a year of execution. So we have several products now that are at various stages, with some ramping to production already and some at early sampling phase. So a huge positive for us in that is that the customers and the industry is noticing and acknowledging our technology and the progress we've made. So we have multiple design wins now, some of which we have announced already, and some that are still in the works. Most of my time in the past few months has been meeting customers and managing product priorities based on the customer needs. The next phase for us is all about converting these design wins to revenue.
Great. And recently, Poet announced an expansion of the work it is doing with Luxshare Tech, which is one of the largest companies in the industry. Why is Luxshare so interested in what Poet is doing?
So Luxshare started with one product from us, the 800 gig 2 by FR4 receive optical engine for their OSFP module. They've been very impressed with how easy it was to incorporate our engine inside their modules. So those devices showed exceptional performance and cost savings for them. So Luxshare wanted to broaden their product offering that featured Poet. So as we have said, the additional products will include Poet's transmit and receive optical engines for Luxshare's 400 gig and 800 gig pluggable transceivers for single mode fiber applications. So these will be the state of the art transceivers, like really high end, low cost, high volume products. And they will combine Poet's industry leading 100 gig per lane and 200 gig per lane optical engines. And Luxshare will manufacture and sell them globally. I mean, the fact that we now have 6 products and counting that are under development with Luxshare shows the flexibility of the Poet optical interposer platform and also offers validation for our technology as a new way forward for the industry. So, what Poet does also benefits Luxshare's end customer. I mean, this is very important to recognize because Luxshare sells its products to some of the biggest and most well known end users in the world. So, they put their trust in Luxshare to help them deliver products. And now, Luxshare more and more is putting its trust in Poet, which makes our role in the ecosystem very critical.
Exactly true. And we're coming up to the end of summer, which usually means the beginning of more business activity. What can you tell us about what's to come in the weeks ahead?
So there is the CIOE, which is the China International Optoelectronic Exposition that takes place in Shenzhen in early September. So our team will be there, I'll be there. So we'll be performing several live demonstrations of our latest products. So we'll be showing high-speed modules that are suitable for AI supercomputing and our external light source products that are designed for use in co-packaged optics and for chip-to-chip optical interconnects. So 2 weeks after CIOE, there is the ECOC exhibition, a large industry conference that will take place in Frankfurt, Germany. And I'll be there speaking about 800 gig module designs using our interposer-based engines. Poet is also a finalist for an ECOC Innovation Award. So we are hopeful we'll be named a winner there, like we were with the AI Breakthrough Awards earlier this year. And we'll have operational news in the coming weeks that is related to existing customers and also some new ones too. So we are showing how Poet's highly integrated optical engines are the right solution to power the next wave of growth in AI. It's a very exciting time, and there's real sense within the company that the customer validation we have been receiving is going to deliver more and more industry adoption for our technology. And we have some other industry news or other industry initiatives that we look forward to as well.
That's right. We have a revamped website launching soon, and we are debuting a Poet newsletter to give subscribers a behind the scenes look at some of the happenings at the company. Keep an eye out for those initiatives. Raju, thanks again for your time. Best of luck with your travels and with managing all of the projects you've got in your hand right now.
Thanks, Adrian. We'll talk to you soon.